Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mr.Q here presenting you my home barista life. I recently upgraded my home coffee gears to a whole new level that has completely improved my workflow and given me enormous fun to brew coffee at home. It happens I'm also learning video editing as well, so I came up with the idea of putting those two together. I have been in the cafe industry, worked as a barista for 4 or 5 years before. I do want to share with you my understanding of how to make a cup of decent coffee. Hopefully my channel will give you some ideas of how to brew better coffee at home. I am open to advice and suggestions that may improve my channel. Thank you everyone, let's get straight into it. This is my old coffee setup, which has been serving me for more than 10 years. I got the system when I was just getting into the barista field. This is a cannot be simpler coffee and spice grinder I've been living with. It's still running without any issue. This is my loyal old friend Philip Seiko. It had served loads and loads of coffee beverages to my friends and family and me. It has never died on me and is still rock solid. However, my main reason to upgrade my system is this setting has no consistency at all. As you can see, I could hardly find the right size temper for the portafilter. So getting a coffee from this system could be a bit of a mystery. Today I went to a local coffee machine dealer and those are what I got. New grinder, Eureka special liter, very nice and capable machine. Water filter from Woolies and all those accessories as well. Now let's come down here. Behold, the beast of home brewing territory, Profitec Pro 700. I'll be doing an unboxing video on this one today. Hope you enjoy it. First thing I can see here are some papers. This machine has probably been tested by someone. What does it say here? Okay, it has been tested by maybe the shop owner. And that is warranty paper with some instructions on how to operate the machine at the back. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. This one at the very top is the plumb-in hose. I'm not gonna need it. This is a little tray to elevate the cups when you're pulling the shots, so it doesn't cool down in the air. That is the user menu. Here comes the portafilter. This one has loaded with double shots basket with 2 spouts. This one must be single. This shiny thing is a blind basket. We can use it to clean the group head of the coffee machine when loaded in the portafilter. This little angle brush helps to clean the group head as well. We need to take good care of our coffee machine so it will serve you many years to come. Next one will be the temper. Oh, I thought it was going to be a plastic one, but no. It actually feels very solid by its weight. Got a nice handle too. What a surprise. This block looks like the water drainage if you go with the plumbing option. We're not gonna need it either. Last but not least, the wastewater tray. Also feels solid. This machine comes with good quality accessories actually. What a bonus! Now let's move to this beast here. Let it out of its cage. It is well packed and protected. Hold on, what did you say? It weighs 31 kilos.
31. No! God, please, no! No!
next video, I'll be showing you how do I dial in my espresso. Thanks for watching and please stay tuned. See you next time.